Quantum universe. At its core, quantum mechanics is the study of the smallest building blocks of nature, particles like electrons, photons, and atoms. Unlike the predictable world of classical physics, the quantum world operates under a set of rules that seem bizarre. For example, particles can behave like waves, and waves can behave like particles. This is known as wave-particle duality. To explain this, imagine light. In everyday life, light seems to behave like a wave, spreading out and interacting with objects. But under certain conditions, like in the famous double-slit experiment, light also behaves like a stream of particles, photons, that hit a screen in specific spots. I still remember learning about this in a physics class, and the idea that light could be both a wave and a particle just blew my mind. This dual nature of light baffled scientists for years, and is just one of the many strange features of the quantum world. This brings us to another strange feature of quantum mechanics. Observation changes reality. The very act of measuring or observing a quantum system affects its state. Before the observation, the system exists in a blend of probabilities, but once it's observed, it collapses into one definite state. This idea challenges our traditional view of reality, where things are supposed to exist independently of whether or not they are observed. It makes me wonder, how much of our everyday life is influenced by what we focus on? One of the most intriguing aspects of quantum mechanics is quantum entanglement. When two particles become entangled, their states are linked no matter how far apart they are. If one particle is measured and its state is determined, the other particle's state is instantly affected, even if it's on the other side of the universe. This phenomenon led Einstein to famously call it spooky action at a distance, because it defied the laws of classical physics and raised questions about the speed of information. To me, this concept always felt like something out of science fiction, yet it's a real and proven phenomenon. So, Now, here's a question for you. Do you think our everyday observations might also influence reality, much like in quantum mechanics? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you next time. 谢谢，拜拜，下期见。